Spaghetti Aglio E Olio. Who knows with an accent like this, did I pronounce that right or not? But who cares? I'm from Cavan, you know, I can kind of get away with it. This is a recipe that you can cook with just 6 ingredients. It's absolutely delicious. It's a classic Italian one, and it's very simple to put together. Start off firstly with your spaghetti. So we're taking it out of the packet like this. We're gonna go straight into a saucepan of boiling water. So we're just gonna get some salt. Twist your spaghetti, okay? And then push it down like that and ease it into the saucepan. So we have then beside it a frying pan on a medium heat. We're just gonna grab some olive oil. So we're gonna use quite a bit of olive oil in here, okay? We're gonna go heavy-handed on it. That done, we've got 6 cloves of garlic. I know it sounds like quite a lot of garlic, but we cook it slowly so it sweetens and it's not as garlicky. So we give this a really quick slice. So once you've that all sliced, we go straight into the olive oil, and we don't want to fry it because if you fry it, it kind of catches and it burns and it goes really, really bitter. So we just want to lightly coat it in the olive oil and slowly cook it here. So once your garlic is softened down, we just add then a good pinch of chili flakes to it. So while that's cooking away, get yourself some fresh flat leaf parsley, and we're going to give this a really good chop here. So we want this to be kind of a little bit fine. So we'll finish it off then with the flat leaf and some Parmesan cheese. When your pasta's cooked, get your tongs and take it straight from the water. Drag some water across with you. Okay, give that a really, really good mix around there. So you're basically combining the water, the olive oil, and if you need then you can always come along and add a tiny little bit more water to that. Basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to stop the frying there. Now to make this creamy, we have Parmesan cheese. So microplane, grate it in and go heavy-handed because this will season it as well for you. So once you have that done then just toss it through. So what happens is the Parmesan mixes with the olive oil and the water, and it kind of gives you a creaminess to the pasta and a shine and a glassiness there. And then finish with your flat leaf parsley, straight in. So that's kind of a light herb to finish it. Just gives a lovely freshness to the dish. And then you're just literally ready to serve up. Perfect for a lunchtime, or even if you're looking for something that's a cheap meal, spaghetti Aglio E Olio is perfect for you. I don't know if I still pronounced that right, but anyway. And finally, good grating. The last thing to do with this is just tuck in. Get a good bit, okay. Absolutely to die for. You've got to give that recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed that one as much as I have, guys. Don't forget to give us a good subscribe, like and share this video, comment below with your recipe suggestions, and we'll see you all again really, really soon. Cheers.